Not by arguing, but by trying. Francis Bacon, 1561–1626. The English philosopher, statesman, and scientist Francis Bacon was not the first to conduct experiments. Alhazen and other Arab scientists conducted them 600 years earlier, but he was the first to explain the methods of inductive reasoning and set out the scientific method. He also saw science as a spring of a progeny of inventions, which shall overcome, to some extent, and subdue our needs and miseries. Evidence from experiment. According to the Greek philosopher Plato, truth was found by authority and argument. If enough intelligent men discussed something for long enough, the truth would result. His student, Aristotle, saw no need for experiments. Bacon parodied such authorities as spiders, spinning webs from their own substance. He insisted on evidence from the real world, particularly from experiment. Two key works by Bacon laid out the future of scientific inquiry. In Novum Organum, 1620, he sets out his three fundamentals for the scientific method: observation, deduction to formulate a theory that might explain what has been observed, and experiment to test whether the theory is correct. In the New Atlantis, 1623, Bacon describes a fictitious island and its House of Salaman, a research institution where scholars conduct pure research centered on experiment and the make inventions. Sharing those goals, the Royal Society was founded in 1660 in London, with Robert Hooke as its first curator of experiments. Whether or no anything can be known, can be settled not by arguing, but by trying. Francis Bacon. In context. Branch, experimental science. Before 4th century BCE, Aristotle deduces, argues, and writes, but does not test with experiments. His methods persist for the next millennium. 7501–250 Arab scientists conduct experiments during the Golden Age of Islam. After 1630s Galileo experiments with falling bodies. 1637 French philosopher René Descartes insists on rigorous skepticism and inquiry in his Discourse on Method. 1665 Isaac Newton uses a prism to investigate light. 1963 In Conjectures and Refutations, the Austrian philosopher Karl Popper insists that a theory may be tested and proved false, but cannot conclusively be proved correct.